It's ISE 2022 and we're in Barcelona and in Hall 5 on the 3D Storm stand, and I'm joined with Alexandra. Hi Alexandra, great
Hi,
to see you
Simon.
again.
Yeah, it is a pleasure to see you. We're very happy to be at ISE, back to ISE 2 years later.
Back to face again.
Exactly,
It's fantastic.
yeah. It's a pleasure.
So I can't help but notice this lovely looking rack here. Tell us what's in here.
Yes, so this year we're presenting all of our new products, and we put them all here in this rack. We're all using them for our setup. It's all about NDI, as always. As you know, as you remember, 3D Storm is the distributor of NewTek and NDI products, and we're very proud again this year because NewTek awarded us with a Best Reseller Award for the 5th year in a row.
Oh, okay.
So what do we have here? First of all, TriCaster Two Elite. This product is on the market for approximately 2 years now. In December, there was a major update. So this is the latest version that we're showing here. It includes a whole bunch of amazing new features, like Live Call Connect 2, 9-channel, which now includes Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and FaceTime.
Okay.
Audio mix of 32 channels, neural voice isolation. Really, it has so many features, amazing features.
And I can't help but notice you've got the new TriCaster One Pro in here as well.
But yes, this is the new TriCaster One Pro. This is the latest addition to the TriCaster family at NewTek. And this TriCaster has a lot of advanced features of TriCaster Two Elite integrated in this machine. Let's say the advantage of this product is it is, well, among a lot of other advantages, of course, but it is compatible with all NewTek control surfaces.
Right, okay.
This is the NC2IO, the new hardware version with the support of 12G SDI.
Okay.
3D Storm, actually a few months ago, started a amazing new cooperation with Kiloview.
Okay.
Kiloview is a professional solutions provider for IP video transmission. And here we're showcasing their newest product. It's called NDI Core Max.
Okay.
It's actually a world premiere on an international trade show.
Wow.
And
who is this aimed at? Who would be looking to invest in this Kiloview product?
Pro AV market, really,
Right.
because with this solution allows you to control, operate, and route NDI sources.
Right. Okay.
With the click of a button. Really, it makes life so much easier.
Yeah.
So, and this product, it's our Live Expert Live Media Server, which is also a new version. It's a new hardware version based on Dell, and it's 4K now. So, New Blue Fusion 2. This product is broadcast graphics system with integrated Title Live 5 broadcast software in it. It allows to create graphics with Title Designer, but also to import After Effects projects,
Okay.
Photoshop files, and to choose from hundreds of templates available in the software.
Okay.
3D Storm also now distributes Netgear AV line of managed switches, and we're using one right here on our stand.
Cool.
And these switches have NDI profile integrated in them, and really configuring NDI workflow with them has never been easier.
That's what we want to hear.
Yeah.
So we spoke about the TriCaster One Pro here. Let's go over and look at the Mini, which I can see in the corner.
Yes, sure.
Okay, so we're over here with the TriCaster Mini here. Tell us about this.
So this is the portable version. It's a mini production studio in one box. It's a great feature set at a wonderful price, and it's expandable as well, adaptable solution with NewTek Sparks, HDMI, 3G SDI, and 12G SDI.
So it says on there, get started in 5 minutes. Is it really that quick?
Yeah, it is. It's really plug and play. It's an amazing product.
Excellent, good stuff. So I think now we're going to go look at your Ndi Showcase.
Absolutely. Let's go.
Okay, so this is the Ndi Showcase. Talk us through what we can see here.
Yeah, sure. So here we have, of course, Ndi Ajax cameras, for Ndi Ajax PDZ3 camera from NewTek. It's a new product. It's a new camera. It is out for a couple of months now, and it exists in black and white colors.
Okay.
And it has a very smooth operation and XLR connector on the back
cool.
side.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's a new feature.
Cool. Okay, and we've got some more Kiloview products here.
Yes, absolutely. This is a new product from Kiloview, N60. It's going to be out in June, but we already believe that it's going to be our best seller.
I think so, yeah.
Because it's really the best 4K HDMI and USB bi-directional converter to NDI and NDI HX.
Wow.
And it's going to be amazing, really. It has this large-sized LCD screen and the little scroll here for the operation. It has a lot of great features.
Yeah, and you're also showing another range of.
Yes, we have actually now 3D Storm added all the NDI converters from Kiloview to its catalog. So of course I invite you and the viewers to go to our website 3dstorm.com and learn more about the Kiloview products and of course NewTek and other NDI products that we sell.
You beat me to it. I was going to ask you the website, so 3dstorm.com.
Yes, 3dstorm.com.
Thank you very much.
And of course visit us at the ISE show.
Indeed, yeah. So if you're not here at the show, do visit 3dstorm.com. We're doing another video here as well on the stand, so do check out for that one. And for everything else we're doing at ISE, you can check that out at kitplus.com.
Thank you.